Our design project is the home automation system, which is done by myself, John Gilbert, and Aldrin Rogen, Eldho Roy, and Basil Shani. Our home automation system is to control and monitor most of the parameters in a home, usually in a home. So we are sensing and monitoring the temperature and humidity using a temperature and humidity sensor, which is integrated into one chip. And we are also placing an LDR, which is a light sensing sensor. We have obstacle detection sensor, which is the IR sensor, and also we are dealing with the we are sending the signals with the use of a Arduino Uno, and which is connected by a serial port, which is here. Is connected by a serial port, and we are also using the use of a relay to obtain the output signals and provide to the fan, which rotates in a particular speed according to the temperature. So first we are going to control the temperature and humidity using a temperature and humidity sensor, where in this part it senses the temperature and humidity of the surrounding and sends the signal to the Arduino Uno, and the Arduino Uno is connected to the computer, the personal computer, and where we are programming it using a Arduino IDE software. And so when we are sensing a temperature higher than the 25 degrees, which is in a home automation, which is a high temperature, the fan actually, which is the actuator, it rotates at a particular speed, which cools down the temperature. So we have to place it on top of the candle to obtain the signal from the temperature sensor to the actuator, which is the fan. So when it reaches like at 27 or 30 degree, above 25 degree, the fan rotates at a particular speed. As you can see, the fan rotates according to the increase in the temperature. So when this sensor cools down after a minute, the fan automatically turns off. Now we are going to perform the obstacle detection using the IR sensor, which is placed here. This is the Arduino board, which is used to control the IR sensor, and this is the LED where any object is coming in between the IR sensor. It shows the LED will be in glow. So, and this is the program we have created for the IR sensor. As you can see, the path is clear right now. So when I place my hand in front of the IR sensor, the program shows that something is ahead, and it also signals, the LED also signals the red light, which shows something is ahead of the IR sensor. Thank you. Now we are presenting the light sensing device, which is the LDR, which is placed here, and this is the LED which glows when it is dark. When it is illuminated, it goes off, the LED goes off. This is the circuit, and this is the Arduino which controls the LDR circuit, and we have the program here for the LDR sensing. And as you can see, the reading now shows the 19, which is the illuminated light falls on the LED. And as you can see, when I place a paper on this, it's dark and the LED glows. So it's sensing that if there is dark, it's sensing that the light is glowing. Yes. This home automation system, which controls and monitors 4 parameters, which is the temperature and humidity, the IR sensor, which detects obstacles, and we can also use it to automate the inside of a theater room, where we can place several sensors there for the receiving of several signals, which is easy and also energy efficient. And for the use of LDR sensor, we can use it in different rooms for the automated light detection and darkness detection, so that light can be provided in the dark areas. And it is very efficient and effective project for our design project, and this is the program of that. So thank you so much. So thank you for listening throughout our presentation of the home automation system, which is our design project for the unit, the instrumentation and measurement, which is ENS 6146. The project is done by John Gilbert, Aldrin Rogen, Eldho Roy, and Basil Shani. Thank you for everything.